Hey, how's it going? It's Mari Brown, and together with Brad Stevens, we're going to launch Playboost on April 1st. Okay, now I'm traveling right now in Thailand. I get this little, mobile setup right here, but I really wanted to record this video and invite you to that launch on April 1st, okay? We're gonna be able to help you provide a proven tool and a helpful tool to your database, okay? So basically, what's the big problem? It's really simple. Basically, globally, okay, the autoplay feature has been shut down, as you know. So as a video marketer, or in general as a marketer, your videos get less clicks, they get less views, and that means less traffic. With less traffic, obviously you make less sales, and so forth, right? And yeah, there have been some little hacks in the past, like a still image or uploading your video to a different service and then creating a still image, but it just doesn't get the job done anymore. So what we created is Playboost, okay? We have a software right now that is well supported and easy to use and truly helpful, that makes it very easy to create really cool animated images like the one that you see right here, and you don't have to use a different embed code. You don't have to upload your video to a different server that might get shut down. None of that. Okay, you just use our software and you create these beautiful animated images right here. You can do GIFs. We have all kinds of options. You can customize it, and it's gonna help your videos or your subscribers' videos to get more clicks, more views, more traffic. Obviously, that leads then to more sales as well. Okay, so that's what you can do with Playboost in a nutshell. And we're launching it on April 1st. Okay, so this right here